The verb to be is special. It describes a state of being and has three main forms. Positive, I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Negative, we add not. I am not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. Let's take a look at the short forms. Positive, I'm, he's, she's, it's, we're, you're, they're. Negative, I'm not, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. To ask a question, you put the verb first and use it in your short answers. Am I? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. When someone asks, "Are you?" you answer for yourself, "Yes, I am." "No, I'm not." If the question includes others with you, "Yes, we are." "No, we aren't." If it's about another person, "Yes, you are." "No, you aren't." Time for practice. Complete the gaps. Am I tired? No, I'm not. I'm happy. Is he a teacher? No, he isn't. He is a student. Is she a doctor? No, she isn't. She is a chef. Is it a bike? No, it isn't. It is a car. Are they bakers? No, they aren't. They are farmers. Well done. See you in the next lesson. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe.